screen. I was reading this answer, and there is an error on the screen. We just had a hallucination by Opus. We just had a hallucination. Can anyone spot that? Does anyone see it? Does anyone see why there is a problem on the screen? This is a clear hallucination, guys. Anybody see it? Think about what's up on the screen right now, and then we'll come back to it. But we just experienced a 4.8 hallucination. All right, so Brazil, why they would win? The talent gap on paper is real, right? They have deep across the midfield. The only previous World Cup meeting was 3-0 Brazil in 1998. Well, that was a very long time ago. Why they would lose? Because injuries have been a problem. Most notably, the loss of Neymar Jr. Morocco won the most recent meeting, a friendly in 2023. Ooh, that's interesting. Interesting. Morocco, why they would win? Built a semifinal run in 2022, which is true. Defensive organization plus dangerous transitions. They've already shown they can win, beating them 2-1 in 2023. Why they would lose? The ceiling is simply lower than Brazil across more positions. Okay. Over 90 minutes, there would be sustained pressure. Okay. My read is Brazil to win, something like 2-1, which is also where outlets like CBS landed. Morocco is capable of serving as a reality check. Predictions like this are educated guesses, single matches, turn on red cards, so on and so on. Okay. What do you guys think? Is that a reasonable explanation? Is it Sadinga? Sadinga, welcome. Yusuf, Patel, Mr. We'll call you Mr. Me. Sutton, welcome. 98, welcome. Is it Fatima? Fatima, welcome. So what do you guys think? Is that a reasonable explanation?